Welcome everybody. Myself V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about problems on algebra of matrices. In this session, we shall continue the problems on algebra of matrices. Simplify. Two into 2 1 3 0 4 2 plus 3 into 0 2 1 4 2 3. So first we have to multiply 2 to the all the elements of the matrix. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 2 4 plus multiply 3 to the entire matrix, that means all the elements of the matrix. 3 into 0 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So that will be equal to, so we add the corresponding elements of the matrix. 4 plus 0, 2 plus 6, 6 plus 3, 0 plus 12, 8 plus 6, 4 plus 9. So that will be equal to 4 plus 0 4, 2 plus 6 8, 6 plus 3 9, 0 plus 12 12, 8 plus 6 14, 4 plus 9 13. If A equals 3 8 1, 2 minus 6 3, 7 minus 4 5, B equals 4 0 2, 6 2 3, 1 3 2. Verify. 3 into A plus B is equal to 3A plus 3B. So solution. First let us find A plus B. Consider A plus B. So we shall write the first matrix A. 3 8 1, 2 minus 6 3, 7 minus 4 5 plus B. So we shall write the matrix B. 4 0 2, 6 2 3, 1 3 2. So this will be equal to, so we add the corresponding elements. So 3 plus 4, 8 plus 0, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 6, minus 6 plus 2, 3 plus 3, next 7 plus 1, minus 4 plus 3, 5 plus 2. So this will be equal to, so 3 plus 4 7, 8 plus 0 8, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 6 8, minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, 3 plus 3 6, 7 plus 1 8, minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, 5 plus 2 7. Next we shall find 3 into A plus B. 3 into A plus B equals 3 times 7, 8, 3. 8 minus 4, 6. 8 minus 1, 7. So 3 into 7, 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 into 3, 9. 3 8s are 24. 3 into minus 4, minus 12. 3 into 6, 18. 3 8s are 24. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 3 into 7, 21. So this is nothing but 3 of A plus B. We call this as equation 1. Next, consider 3 into A. So 3 into A matrix is 3, 8, 1, 2, minus 6, 3, 7, minus 4, 5. So this will be equal to 3 into 3, 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 into minus 6, minus 18, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 7, 21, 3 into minus 4, minus 12, 3 into 5, 15. We have B equals 402, 623, 132. We find 3B. So 3 into B matrix 402, 623, 132. So we multiply every element of the matrix by 3. So 3 4s are 12, 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 6s are 18, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Let us consider the sum of 3A and 3B. So consider 3A plus 3B. So 3A will be equal to 9, 24, 3, 6, minus 18, 9, 21, minus 12, 15, plus 3B. So we have 3B 12, 0, 6, 18, 6, 9, 3, 9, 6. So that will be equal to, so we add the corresponding elements, 9 plus 12, 24 plus 0, 3 plus 6, 6 plus 18, minus 18 plus 6, 9 plus 9. So 21 plus 3, minus 12 plus 9, 15 plus 6. So that will be equal to 9 plus 12, 21, 24 plus 0, 24, 3 plus 6, 9, 6 plus 18, 24, minus 18 plus 6, minus 12, 9 plus 9, 18, 21 plus 3, 24, minus 12 plus 9, minus 3, 15 plus 6, 21. We call this as equation 2. So from 1 and 2, what we can say? 21, 24, 9, 24 minus 12, 18, 24 minus 3, 21. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, 3 into a plus b will be equal to 3a plus 3b. Next type of problems. If x plus y 3, 2 minus y plus x plus 2, 3, 4, 1 will be equal to 0, 6, 6, 0. Find x and y. So what is given? X plus y 3, 2 minus y plus x plus 2, 3, 4, 1 will be equal to 0, 6, 6, 0. So first we add the corresponding elements in the left hand side. So x plus y plus 2, 3 plus 3, 2 plus 4 minus y plus x plus 1 will be equal to 0, 6, 6, 0. So x plus y plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6, 2 plus 4, 6, minus y plus x plus 1. So that will be equal to 0, 6, 6, 0. So now from equality of matrices, we equate the corresponding elements. X plus y plus 2, x plus y plus 2 equals 0. And 6 will be naturally equal to 6, 6 will be naturally equal to 6. Next we have minus y plus x plus 1 will be equal to 0. So this implies x plus y will be equal to minus 2, and this equation implies x minus y will be equal to minus 1. Consider x plus y equals minus 2, x minus y equals minus 1. So let us add these two equations. So x plus x, 2x, plus y minus y will get cancelled, that equals minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So x will be equal to minus 3 by 2. So we call this as equation 1, this as equation 2. So put x equals minus 3 by 2 in equation 1. So minus 3 by 2 plus y equals minus 2. So y equals minus 2 plus 3 by 2. So y equals LCM is 2 minus 4 plus 3. So y equals minus 1 by 2. So the final answer is x equals minus 3 by 2 and y equals minus 1 by 2. Next problem, if x square 1 2 minus 1 plus 2x 2 minus 1 2 will be equal to minus 1 3 1 1. Find x. So solution. So what is the given problem? That is x square 1 2 minus 1 plus 2x 2 minus 1 2, that will be equal to minus 1 3 1 1. So let us add the corresponding elements in the left hand side. So x square plus 2x 1 plus 2 2 plus minus 1 minus 1 plus 2. So that will be equal to minus 1 3 1 1. Next step, x square plus 2x 1 plus 2 is 3. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. So that will be equal to minus 1 3 1 1. So from the equality of matrix we equate the corresponding elements. From equality of matrices, x square plus 2x will be equal to minus 1. So x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is nothing but x plus 1 whole square will be equal to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0, x equals minus 1. Next problem. Find x and y given that minus 9 2 minus 5 minus 1 equals x y. So given so we subtract the corresponding elements in the left hand side. So minus 9 minus 5 2 minus minus 1 is equal to x y. So minus 9 minus 5 is minus 14. 2 plus 1 is 3. So from equality of matrices we have x equals minus 14, y equals 3. If 2a plus b is equal to 2 3 1 1 4 0 3a plus 2b is equal to 4 6 1 2 3 5. Find A and B. So here they have given two matrix equations. So we have to find the matrix A and B. So let us make the coefficients of B equal. Here B is there, here 2B is there. So let us multiply the first matrix equation by 2. Let us call this as matrix equation 2 and we multiply this by 1. So 2 into 2 4a plus 2 into b 2b, that will be equal to 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 0 0. The second matrix equation we multiply by 1. So 3a plus 2b is equal to 4 6 1 2 3 5. Subtract minus minus minus. So 4a minus 3a is a. 2b and minus 2b will get cancelled. So that will be equal to 4 6 2 2 8 0 minus 4 6 1 2 3 5. So we subtract the corresponding elements of these two matrices. So 4 minus 4, 6 minus 6, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 8 minus 3, 0 minus 5. So A will be equal to, so 4 minus 4 0, 6 minus 6 0, 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 2 0, 8 minus 3 5, 0 minus 5 minus 5. So this is the matrix A. We substitute the matrix A in equation 1 and find the matrix B. So substituting A in 1. So 2 into A. A is 0 0 1 0 5 minus 5 plus B equals 2 3 1 1 4 0. So 2 3 1 1 4 0. So first we shall multiply all the elements of this matrix by 2. So 2 into 0 0, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 5 10, 2 into minus 5 minus 10 plus B equals 2 3 1 1 4 0. So B equals 2 3 1 1 4 0 minus 0 0 2 0 10 minus 10. So B is equal to, so we subtract the corresponding elements of these two matrices. 2 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 0, 4 minus 10, 0 minus of minus 10. So B will be equal to 2 minus 0, 2, 3 minus 0, 3, 1 minus 2, minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 4 minus 10, minus 6, plus 10. So this is the matrix B. Okay. Thank you.